This video shows how to create captions on a video you've uploaded in YouTube using a transcript file. Right now I'm in Microsoft Word and I'm going to go to File, Save As, give the document a name, and at the bottom where it says File Format, I'm going to change it from this default file type to plain text and click Save and click OK. Now I'm going to go to YouTube. I'm going to click on my image in the upper right corner and go to my Creator Studio. Select the video from the videos area that I want to caption, and if you can't find it there, you can go to your video manager and access it that way. Click on the subtitles/CC tab at the top right. Click Add New Subtitles or CC. Select English. Click Upload a File. Select Transcript. Click Choose File. Locate that text file that you just saved and click Open. Click Upload, and then click Set Timings. You'll see a notification that your new track is setting timings, so you'll want to wait until that processes. And you can keep refreshing your page if you're waiting. This is finished now. You can see it tells me when it was done. I'm going to click on that button that says English. That's the new caption track. And in the upper right corner, click the blue Publish button. Once you've done that, the captions are now published and they're part of your video, and you can test them by clicking on the play button and then selecting the CC icon. Okay folks, I'm going to show you how to caption that video you just uploaded. That's it.